There's more than 8.4 million in Ethiopia with a need for humanitarian assistance. This is almost 10% of the population, and around a third of these are based in the Somali region. And that's why we're working together with EMCO in some of the camps for internally displaced people to support them on health issues. We went to one of the camps and we met Bishawa, a mother of 10 children. 9 of her childbirths had happened at home, and she had experienced severe complications, and today only 7 of her 10 children were still alive. However, the last childbirth had happened since she came to this camp and happened at the health facility. During this childbirth, a severe bleeding happened, but it was managed and she was stabilized and she survived and she gave birth to a healthy newborn. Based on this experience, she had now become a community leader, and she would go household to speak with the pregnant mothers around the importance of seeking care during childbirth. She would also attend community sessions where mothers would have dialogues around health related to pregnancy, childbirth, relating to child health, related to family planning, FGM, and other issues. And actually, we attended one of these community sessions, and it was a wonderful experience to sit down with the mothers, to meet the children and hear about their challenges and what they're facing on a day-to-day basis, but also how they're working together to talk about health issues and how they can best address them. At the camp, we saw how many structures are in place, but we also saw how this is such a vulnerable setting and how there is a huge need for continued and long-term support. We also saw how there is a need for an ongoing dialogue around family planning and birth spacing, a dialogue that needs to happen both at the community level but also at the health facilities.